Okay, let me just open up a few slides so that you will have better understanding what exactly we are doing. Uh, Basically, we are a cancer NGO. I'm the person who is running last 10 years. So I started this to help cancer children via education. So what I used to do is I used to work in IT companies. Weekends I used to take a training. So from that I can give it to hospitals, everything. But later, slowly I'm started building a platform where uh, I used to help many people. So the idea here is everyone can come to the website anytime, whenever they are free. They can learn almost. This is my recently I got my Guinness record also approved. As of now, I'm holding a 148 certification plus 37 research pattern I'm holding. Um, so basically, you will have the training here completely free. All you need to do is you don't need to spend any money on any institutes or anything. You can spend or you can invest in your laptop plus your home broadband, fast fiber internet. So if you have those, then you can directly come to my website or my channel. You will have almost all trainings are free with hands-on, with use cases, with almost all steps. If you need a scripts also available. If you need a documentation also available. Suppose if you struck any issues, so you submit the relevant issue or query in the same class video. If required, I can take your machine. That's not an issue. And most of the people, they are learning the concepts. But when you go to interview, they are really lagging the use case. Use case is nothing but when you go to any interview or when you go to any project, the first question is, what is my day-to-day role? How to do it? That is the use case. So I'm started releasing all use cases also with the step by step. So only thing is you need to have some free time and your interest. And also I'm started writing a lot of technical blogs where people are asking a lot of queries. So with screenshot, with the example, you will get it. If you have any queries also, feel free to submit. I can try whenever I am free. And also these days, many people ask, Vijay, the exam practice. Say, for example, you want to have AWS certification or Azure certification or any automation certification. Before go to actual vendor certification, you need some exam practice without any single investment. So you can directly come to my website. You will find almost all demanded exam free only. So you can practice multiple times and then you can go for your actual certification. So that also one of the easiest way. And also interview questions I can, I'm started writing a lot of interview questions in technical blog. Plus, these days, many people asked, many of my followers, they asked interview questions instead of reading question and answer, they request me to create as an exam. So interview questions, you will have question, you will have four options. So it's like a same exam pattern. So instead of studying the document, you can go and multiple times appear interview related exams also, so that you will evaluate yourself and what category, what basis you can put a score on you. And also I already released a couple of ready-made solutions. Plus I'm slowly releasing all automation. So what you need to do is you can download the scripts, you can watch the class, and you create your own lab and fail multiple times, so that whenever you go to any interview, you project yourself, I did this. Instead of you learned, you project yourself that you are doing in current project. You may work in different technology, that's not an issue, but as long as you know how to do it with the hands on, you change your resume, you project yourself. This is the major idea. I created all dots connecting in my website completely free. On top of all this, if you are really looking for some help, say Vijay, I'm planning for AWS certification. Can you help me to get the exam vouchers? So instead of, if you go and purchase in the market, say some $100, just for example, right? I can tie up with you. I can redirect it to you some people where you will get very cheap. So you are getting the learning also. You are getting, at the end of the day, you will get this help also, exam vouchers. I'm happy to help. Even I'm planning to add in the website itself. Everything is automated. Maybe in next month, you will find all in my website itself. You no need to ask anyone. So this is the overall idea. From this, how I am helping this cancer children. So I'm posting all step-by-step videos whenever I'm free. I'm creating the video and post it. So people, only my request is you watch online, so that the more we all learn multiple times from our own lab. So there will be a fund raised. So that fund directly will go to Cloud and Load NGO. So that Cloud and Load NGO will be directly linked with a couple of hospitals in Chennai and Kerala and Bangalore. So they will find genuine cases who are not afford to pay cost. So that file will be reviewed by my team who is in Chennai. So once they also verified the case is genuine, then the fund will be transferred directly to the hospital. So the children no need to pay any single money for any hospital expenses for cancer. So this is the overall idea I'm doing last 10 years. Almost we saved. I would say not I. I'm just a creator here. So people who are accessing this are going to be the main agenda here. So we saved almost 6,000 plus children from their death. And how you will earn from this? So this is the learning part. So once you learned, apart from your work, if you think you want to earn money and also parallelly you want to help these children, so you can also deliver a training. Say for example, I'll explain in the website. So you can say, for example, you have some other technology, you know it. Whenever you free, maybe you are getting some 1 hour or 2 hour. So you can create a ID in my website. You can list down. For my all courses are free. For your course, you can list down, say whatever price you want to offer. So from that price, the students will pay. The students' payment will directly come to you once the class is completed. From there, you can donate 1% or 2%. It's up to you. That is not a mandatory. So to this children, this is also one of the way I can generate to this children community. And even if some of the people recently started taking only use cases, AWS, not AWS training, AWS only use cases. So they are charging and they are earning. At the same day, they are also started giving a hand in my cancer NGO. And the exam practice also, they are creating a lot of exams. So this exams, it's basically say 100 people, if they are attending your exam, you will get money. Some if you want, I can share the details. So even there are people are asking a lot of automation scripts for a job perspective. If you are willing to earn, and you can create those scripts, and the person who is requesting those scripts will pay you, and you can earn whenever you are free. This is also complete. It's up to you. So the another recently many people asked, I have a experience gap, everything. So what I'm trying is, so as part of this they are earning, sorry, they are learning, but as part of this also, suppose you learned but you need some experience certificate from some company till you get some good job. So what I'm doing is, if they are agreeing, So I can give a lot of tasks. You do it for 3 to 4 months. Parallelly, you search a job. But during those period, I can provide the certificates so that you cannot, you no need to have any fear on the employment gap or anything. Only thing is, I'm requesting you to help on because there are a lot of tasks. Myself and a couple of people we joined together, and we are doing it. So you can also participate. So you know the day-to-day activities, the use cases, what is the POC, everything. So at the end of the day, you parallelly search a job and you can climb that. Vijay, I helped for past 4 months. You can give me some experience kind of a certificate. I can provide it. That is not an issue. And the next one is who are going to be the this platform, who can access this platform. So if you are a fresher, yes, you are welcome. If you are a manager who is really looking to convert yourself as a technical, yes, welcome. And I'm doing a lot of overseas program because so far I traveled this 20 years. There are a lot of scams happening around this immigration, especially on the overseas from India. So even people are really not able to score due to IELTS. So the Europe is really welcome. Only thing is they need to have some strong technical. There is no IELTS required. So, but there are huge umbrella companies. They are charging. They are taking their salary part, commission, everything, which is really getting screwed. After they come here only, they are getting realized the huge taxes. So what I'm trying is I'm setting up a simple protocol. I connected almost 150 genuine companies in across Europe. So I'm first I will evaluate the person. If the person is really good in technical, I can patch it with these 150 companies. So these 150 companies, almost many people are getting through nowadays. With sponsorship itself, they can move it to, with the job offer, they can move from India. That also one of the ignorance I pay for during my journey. And many people, they are coming here for on-site, but they want to have a local employment with the sponsorship. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just helping people to write contacts, write a path. That is the only I'm doing, apart from the content creation. And the sponsorship also, many people have a lot of queries. So what if I move? What are all challenges? So I am happy to explain everything in Europe and UK, because I know most of the process in UK and Europe and Ireland. And this learner, of course, I said, they will get a community knowledge, they will get a personal advice, they will get a career guidance, they will get a complete job and demand and sponsorship. Most of the time, if required, I'm taking the mission control and I'm just trying to understand what is the exact issue. And if you want to have some mindset, okay, I can also help this cancer children, because I cannot do alone. So you can also earn, but you can donate from your wish. It's not a mandatory. And it's a fully independent. You can log in from anytime, anywhere. It's a complete website only. Even directly the YouTube channel also is available. But only thing is the website, still I'm doing a lot of modification. Soon it will be stable. So when comes into cloud or DevOps these days, most of the people are started going towards either DevOps or cloud. The confusion what they have is uh, what I need to study for cloud, what I need to study for DevOps. I would say cloud and DevOps is more closer competitive areas. So if you decided you want to go to DevOps related jobs or cloud related jobs, then you need to have a 6 skill set. So Linux admin, if you are not from any system admin background, and if you are really don't like the black screen, I would suggest just go with the basic Linux, which I'm about to launch mostly in 10 days, completely free only. So you learn basic Linux, and you learn either AWS and Azure. So currently, Azure is a really demand in the market rather than the AWS. So I would prefer to go with the AWS, because if you know AWS, learning Azure is maximum 1 day, because AWS is a kind of bigger one. Azure also, it started more depth in the market nowadays. So even if you project, you know AWS as well as Azure, that is more weightage added in your resume. So everything I added in the YouTube channel as well as the website, and plus one automation, so which is Ansible. If you are not from programming background, then put Terraform is a long-term list, not immediate, because Terraform requires little bit coding. So you need to have Linux, you need to have one cloud, which is second training. This is a first training. This is the third training, Ansible. And then you need to have Jenkins. Like wherever you go, any project, there is a DevOps tool, CI/CD. So this is a fourth training. And these days, most of the projects now they are with the microservices, Docker and Kubernetes. So Docker is fifth training, and Kubernetes is sixth training. So all these trainings already available, released with the step-by-step, with the use cases, with the hands-on, with all ready-made scripts, completely available in a free manner only. So apart from all this, I also released the last 2 days, I released almost 4 exams. So you can use these online exams, evaluate yourself, how strong you are, right? Most of the questions I prepared myself. And certification, after all this, if you really need certification help also, you let me know. I can patch it with the right people. There are a lot of people are available. Okay, so I would strongly recommend before go to the certification, because certification will help you only one thing. It will help you to shortlist your resume. But in the interview or in the project, you need to speak. In order to speak, you need to know what is what. You need to know how to do it. You need to know what if some issue comes. So, so for all these questions, you need to have a strong hands-on, right? So to learn all this, you need to have your own good laptop, not a very high-end laptop, because you are going to create a Google Cloud, which is completely free. You need to use your credit card to activate this. They will charge you $2, but they will pay you back, because they want to identify or validate you are a genuine human and not robots or spam, right? Once you created and activated using your credit card, it will be valid 3 months, Google Cloud. The advantage here is, instead of AWS Cloud, Google Cloud, they are providing almost 16 CPU free, complete free, 16 CPU and 64 GB RAM is completely free for 3 months. So they never charge automatically from your credit card. That is also one of the advantage. You no need to worry, they can charge a huge amount. No. If the trial period is over, they will disable your account till you activate it. Don't activate it, right? So you create your lab. Each and every training I have explained how to create a lab, what are the procedures, everything. Once you created, say for example, Linux, so follow the procedure in each class first video, create your lab, then practice it. Go to AWS, again you create your lab, then you go for it. You go to Ansible, again create your lab, complete it. Again Jenkins, create your lab, complete it. Again Docker. So the same agenda will follow everything. And this is the cloud and DevOps, almost same. And if you learn all this, you can very well apply. Say you learned Linux training 1, you learned AWS or Azure or AWS plus Azure. This is the training 2. This is the Ansible, so training 3. This is the Jenkins, training 4. This is the Docker and Kubernetes, training 5 and 6. But these days, couple of clients also started asking Terraform. So Terraform and Linux, I'm about to release completely free. You can take it. So plus use cases also, I'm planning to release level 1, level 2, mostly before this month end. So if you learn all this, then you can very well climb yourself to apply cloud engineer jobs, cloud administrator jobs, DevOps engineer jobs, DevOps architect. DevOps architect is something somewhat senior level, but I would say if you have already some kind of experience, say some 8 to 9 years, then project yourself. Only thing is the use case will be different. Rather than the system admin use cases, there will be a architectural level use cases. So these two profile will be applicable if you are a senior. And let me just go. So this is going to be a data. If you are looking for a data, I would strongly recommend first you go through all this. Many people will say, no, this is not required, but I would strongly recommend, because I'm a data, complete data and robotics architect only here in European. So if you know all this, then learning this data or machine learning or AI, only thing is you are going to learn one extra, Python and related use cases. So which will help you to survive even in a cloud project, cloud data project, or on-prem data project, or cloud robotics project, or cloud AI projects. So only additional Python you are going to learn with some related data related modules. So the data I'm planning to release from mostly by January. So if you already know all this, then here are few changes like Python plus Power BI or Tableau or some kind of a data virtualization tools you need to learn. If you learn all this, then you can climb and apply machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI engineer, or Python developer or data engineer jobs. So the one is what are all pending is I have to release Python, still is not yet released, and Linux almost ready. The content is ready. Now editing is going on. Linux, then Terraform. So after this, I will start with the data training releases. So you can keep learn as it is when released. So of course, I'm not in Chennai, I'm in Europe. So this is my WhatsApp number. So now I will show you the website level. Let me go here. So this is my website. Okay, if you have any confusion, come here, the home page. I'm just working on it, some alignment issues. So if you see this, what order you need to study? Linux, if you want to be a cloud, Azure or AWS, Jenkins, or some of the projects or some of the country, they are also asking Google Cloud. But if you know AWS or Azure, learning Google Cloud is very easy. Google Cloud also I'm planning, not immediately. So Ansible and Docker and Kubernetes and the day-to-day activities with automation use cases. And this is how I created all this. So you can find here, but if you want to learn anything in a structured way, go to courses. You register with your some mail ID, create your username. So once you create it, you come to courses, you go here, first page, you can get all the trainings in a categorized manner. So if you go to YouTube channel, it's not a categorized one, but if you go to here, you will get in a proper categorization, because in YouTube channel, it's not randomly categorized. But if you come here, so topic wise, it's like a same Udemy, topic wise, but it's not Udemy. Definitely, it's not Udemy, because all this, only very few videos are theory, because it's a mandatory. Some areas I have to explain as a theory, but rest everything as a hands-on only. So once you finish, then come back here. All for my courses, I marked as a free, but if you learned future, even you can share this with your friends. If they want to contribute this cancer NGO parallelly, if they want to earn, they can also register and they can also become an instructor, but they no need to create all the videos. They can just display the course syllabus and the price, and people can register it and they can earn. So for me, I'm going to release with videos, but instead of all the videos, if suppose, for example, they need to create only one video, some 10 minutes about this course video, so that people can watch and understand what all they can learn. So just they need to display the syllabus here. That's all. So if they list down the syllabus, automatically they can list down the price here, so people can purchase it. And the exam also, last 2 days, I have almost released Ansible exam and AWS exam, Ansible exam and Terraform exam and Kubernetes exam, everything. Now another 4 exams will be released by in another 2 to 3 days. So again, this is the overall idea in the websites. And I'm going to the YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. You can search it in Cloud and Loud, because apart from this technical class videos, there are a lot of awareness videos: how to study, how to create a lab, how to project yourself in cloud project. Everything I'm started adding in this video. So you can search and go and enable the notification with subscribe. Probably apart from the class videos, whatever I'm posting, yeah, so you can get all the notification in your mobile itself. So this is pretty much all aligned with the playlist. If you want, you can also stick with the YouTube, but if some people wants to have automated certification, course completion certificate, you can better stick with the website. But still, you can also enable the subscribe and notification here. Suppose if you are thinking that you have some problem, say for example in storage. Okay, so while learning this, you get into some error. So click this and you will find the which video this is. Say for example, S3 bucket insights, right? But in YouTube, this is a day 9 video. So go here, go to this playlist and go to the day 9 video, so that you can submit in the comment section with your all queries, questions, everything. So come down. So there are a lot of queries already. I'm started responding it. So if you submit your issue, the advantage here is, instead of you directly ping me, because daily I'm getting almost 30,000 WhatsApp pings. So the idea here is I may miss your issue. So if you submit your query here, till I respond, I used to get a reminders, so that I never forget. So this is also one of the area where I'm encouraging community to understand better. So, and also in each and every video, I have explained this, where the particular class steps and scripts and steps are having. So this is my Cloud and Loud GitHub. So here you can find all. But anyway, you no need to worry, because while watching video itself, you will have this information. First 2 minutes I explained for that class where you need to go. But still, if you want to explore, then Cloud and Loud learning roadmap. So come down, you will get everything here. Okay, how to build the lab. So you can right click and go here, so that whatever I explained, the courses. So Linux, what you need. For AWS, what you need before you start your course. And is there any software? You will find the link also. Ansible, what you need. DevOps, you need 7 machines, but don't invest anything in your laptop, or don't invest anything in the somewhere the hardware or anything. Simple, Google Cloud is free. Invest in this, and after 3 months, you create a new mail ID, create a new Google Cloud account. Again 3 months. This is how you need to practice. Simple, right? So Docker, what is the lab you need to have? Kubernetes, what is the lab you need to have? And If you are from non-Linux background, again, you click this, you will get a huge information. So how to create. So all this information, you will have it here. But the GitHub part, if you want, you can note down, but still you no need, because if you go to any class videos, what I prepared in the GitHub steps, exactly I have executed as a hands-on here. So this is a pretty much I'm doing to help community, as well as parallelly I'm helping cancer children. Of course, I'm a cancer survivor, but still I want to help parallelly. Okay, you can ask your queries, Avanti.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your explanation. So we would like to join the Azure. We already studied the Linux.
Okay.
Then we need to join the Azure. Can you please show me where's the Azure we can go for?
Yeah. Go to the same cloudunload.com classes. Even in the YouTube channel, come down. Azure is the first training I released. So, but recently also I'm keep adding the classes. That is why I named as class 1, class 2, class 3, so that you can easily categorize. But if you want more categorized way, go to website, come down. There is a Azure Solution Architect. Click this, and you will have 35 classes, but still there are 7 classes are pending, which I'm started releasing. This month I will be free for Christmas holidays, so I will release it. So here you can have, say, more categorized way. So compute auto scaling, load handling, and VM resilience. So web application, Docker, complete Azure only. So the hands-on. So these kind of a thing, it will be a theory. It's a very small video only, wherever it's required. But everything is hands-on. So compute. So Azure, almost you will get everything here, apart from Azure DevOps. But anyway, in another 1 week, I will add Azure DevOps in the same, or I will add one more new course. But still, you will get it all the notification everywhere. So even if you want to explore in the YouTube channel, go here. This is the home page, right? So come down. The reason I recently revamped my website is in the YouTube, still I'm planning 50 plus trainings, but there are only 10 playlists is possible. That is why I am recommending keep touch with website as well as YouTube channel. So go to this playlist, you will have everything one by one. So all almost 27 classes, you will find it here. So all you need to do is you need to keep refer this roadmap, and AWS for I added, but Azure you need to have only one thing: portal.azure.com activated account. Probably I can add it today. I only added AWS, but anyway, if you watch this first class, you will understand what all prerequisites you need. I clearly explained in this class itself.
Sir, and then it's saying about DevOps
Yeah.
architecture.
Yeah.
Actually, we are network administrator, right?
Yes.
So is that the same, or it is different, or it's detailed?
So you are from which background? Network background or system admin background?
Actually, I don't have any IT background. Just we have started a course, net IT administrator course,
Okay.
network administrator.
Okay.
So we have learned the Linux, Windows 10. We just finished.
Are you learning any Cisco networking or?
Yes, that's we finished.
Probably I can stop the recording. Record this also. So if you go to this kind of a Google and search cloud engineer jobs, so open up some 10 to 15 job description. In this, if you find they are asking the software and system management tools, right? So that means you need to have one OS which you already learning Linux and Windows, right? So this is more than enough. So they are asking to create a custom scripts, right? So mostly this, in as per the market, either Ansible or Terraform. Terraform is provisioning. So if you go to any job description, the whatever I explained, this is exactly. If you are a little bit further down, so new cloud technologies, either they are asking AWS or Azure or Google Cloud. Mostly if you project yourself in any one of the cloud technology, that is more than enough. And come down, if you go with this one, this is exactly you need to have some kind of a database and security, which you will anyway will learn during the cloud learning. And come down, so the vulnerabilities, this is what the OS and the lies with the vendors. So this is basically a very junior level jobs. And I'm just opening a couple of other cloud engineer. Probably I can go with ICT jobs. Yes, this is the more preferred in my country. Cloud engineer. So DevOps engineer. So if you go to this kind of a job description, they will ask, see here, Ansible, but Python anyway, you no need to have all, but they will ask Jenkins. So this is the CI/CD pipeline just now I explained. So they are asking one cloud, one CI/CD, one automation, of course, one OS, and they will ask the microservices. So if they mention some kind of microservices, see continuous delivery, which means they are started using containerized area, which is Docker and Kubernetes. So if you go to any job description, definitely you will find this. Come down. Yeah, this one. But in this, if you are not from Linux core background, I would say learn very basic. That is more than enough, because Linux is a really ocean. So one cloud and Jenkins and Ansible. Even don't get fear or anything. Ansible, its learning is very easy. But people are often getting confused that no, Ansible is something system administrator. No, if you go to any DevOps project, Ansible and Terraform is more mandatory area where you can automate and support everything. And Docker Kubernetes nowadays more, I would say more mandatory in any of the DevOps and cloud projects. I can even open a couple of other jobs also. So this is how I used to advise people to go, because this will show you what demand and what skill set you need. Go to cloud engineer. So if you go here, they are asking one cloud and one OS, and they are asking Ansible and CI/CD, Docker. That's it. So this is the pretty much I explained so far. But this one, you will get more help here. And even networking is, if you are having good in networking, I will show you in Azure itself, you will have a more understanding. If you go to the Azure, let me just go to Azure, then there are 8 classes completely networking. If you have some networking knowledge, then these classes will be really easy for you to demonstrate, because these are the day-to-day more activities in any of the project. Go to Azure courses, come down. So here, networking. So these are maybe it looks like a very small topic, but it's a really huge topic. So if VNet to VNet gateway means you have a Chennai office, they connected to cloud, and you have a New York office, which you will have, this is different company, this is different company, but using this only you can establish the connection. And you have branches, one India branch, one US branch. So both are in Azure cloud. So, but I want to talk to not through internet, through backbone. Then this is the topic. I am a freelancer, I am a contractor, but I need to keep logging to my client network to support. Then this is the topic. So with this kind of a topics, if you have the networking background understanding like this, then it will be easy for you. Hope I'm clear to your query, Anandi.
Yeah. I had a question here.
Yeah.
Also, first of all, I'm very thankful to you for your time. It
Yeah.
was very helpful. So, could you tell me, like, how in how many days or how many months will we be able to complete it?
Are you asking the complete program? This one?
The AWS one, yeah.
AWS, I would say, if you spend actively, then maximum 1 week you can finish it, because maybe the length is somewhat more, but the concept wise it's very easy, because I clearly showed how to do it with all explanation. Even if you finish Azure, AWS in the first, then Azure maximum 2 to 3 days, because most of the topics only the different name. Here Azure Blob Storage, there S3 bucket, that is the only different, but the functionality wise almost same.
So how much time will AWS take?
AWS if you put AWS 1 week and Azure 1 week, dedicatedly you can complete it.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
So even if you have any query, please feel free to reach out to me. I can see where I can help. So even you can circulate to your circle. You know how it is, all this training cost, everything. So what I'm inviting all the circlers, no need to spend. You spend on your lab, you spend on your lab mindset, so that in a longer run you will have try, fail, and learn, grow. This way of habit will help you to survive in a longer run, rather than paying huge amount in the trainings.